Hi everyone, Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Thanks for joining us. We're going to do a walk around on this 2018 Nissan Versa. Hey everybody, doing a quick walk around on this 2018 Nissan Versa SV with 79,000 miles on it. It's got 15-inch Nissan wheels, alloys. It has tires with about 75 to 80% tread life remaining. It's in overall good shape. It's got some minor chipping and cosmetic imperfections, but nothing you wouldn't expect on a 79,000 mile vehicle. No major dents or dings. A couple real small ones. Some paint chipping that's been touched up there. It's a great daily driver for either a kid's first car or a getting back and forth to work car. Well over 30 miles per gallon on average. It's got a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. As you can see, the roof's in great shape. Let's take a look at the interior. Hey everyone, looking at the inside of this Versa, at the interior, we've got black cloth seats, no real stains or frayed stitching, rips or holes. No smell, it's a non-smoker car. Back seat is the exact same way. All right, everyone, doing a start up on the Nissan Versa. As you can see, it has your cruise control and your audio controls on the steering wheel. No lights on the dash. 79,103 on the odometer. It's got an entertainment center here that has AM/FM satellite with a CD player, an auxiliary and USB connection. Let's check out the air. Ice cold. There's the auxiliary and the USB connection there. As you can see, all the plastics are in really good shape. The headliner is in great shape with no stains and no rips or tears, along with the visors. It does have a home link set up right here and a automatic dimming rearview mirror. Great daily driver, guys. Great on gas. Come to check it out.